Okay, Mr. Barker, I'm ready on AG.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning again.
Good morning.
This time and date for sentencing, Your
Hold
Honor.
on, Mr. Barker. That's not how it works. Hold on. All right. Is there an officer in the courtroom, Mr. Flanagan? Oh, okay. Next time, when there's a prosecutor at the table, let's make sure the defense walks behind the wall and then to the podium, not behind the prosecutor. Okay, this is case number 224427201. The people of the state of Michigan versus Sharon Elizabeth Agee. The defendant is charged with 1 count of larceny, and today is the date set for sentencing. Appearances, please, on behalf of the people first.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Delphia Burton appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stephen Barker, P36030 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, and then Ms. Agee, please state your full name for the court.
Sharon Elizabeth Agee.
All right. Today is the day set for sentencing, and the matter is scheduled at 8:59. That tells me that I did not order a pre-sentence investigation.
That is correct, Your Honor.
With respect to sentencing, excuse me, with respect to sentencing, Ms. Burton, is there anything on behalf of the people? Is there anything on behalf of the people? I'm letting in this phone because I don't know if there's a witness, but can the person on the telephone that I just let into the courtroom, can you tell me your name?
Do we see the
Brandon Strong.
Say that again, please.
Brandon Strong.
Brandon. Okay, Mr. Strong, I'm going to send your telephone to the breakout room. However, you're scheduled for final pretrial conference. That tells me that you've been to court on at least one other occasion, and most likely maybe on 2, but at least one other occasion. And when you came to court on the other occasion, you were either in person or you had a video. You had your video on. I will not hear your case today with you on a non-video telephone, but I'm going to send the telephone to the breakout room, and a lawyer is going to come in to assist you in getting on video, or you're going to have to come down to the court. So just wait for a lawyer to come in to talk with you.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Burton, anything on behalf of the people with respect to Ms. Agee?
Your Honor, the complaining witness is Alice Woods. Court here in a breakout.
Say that again. You went out a little bit. You said, what's the witness's name?
Alice Woods.
Okay.
She's present. The court's here in the breakout room.
She's not in the breakout room.
Okay. We have nothing further, Your Honor. We leave it to the court's discretion regarding the sentencing.
All right, Mr. Barker.
Yes, Your Honor. This is a very isolated incident. Ms. Agee is a very nice, very Christian woman. She's rather old. She really has no recollection of the event, which was the reason for the no contest plea. I believe she's already made the restitution for the flower arrangement that was taken, and she had moved from that location, does not live there anymore, so there's no possibility of contact with the complaining witness in the future, but asked the court to sentence her to probation and give her the opportunity that if she does everything right, that this will clear off of her record.
And I'm glad you said that, because I didn't remember the case, but this is the case where they had lived in some type of like assisted living, senior living, and then Miss Agee took some type of like potted plant or some type of flower off of a porch of another person. Is that what this case?
Yes, Your Honor, but it was an artificial arrangement. It was actually on the door of the other apartment.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then you said your client does not live there anymore.
No, she does not.
And how old is she? Do you know?
No, I'm not sure. Sharon.
You can ask her. All right. Miss Agee, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. Miss Agee, tell me, how old are you?
I'm 67.
All right. Because he had said you was quite old, and then I was feeling like, I mean, I was feeling away, and I was hoping you was gonna say my same age, because then I was gonna be like, what? I mean, why would he say that? But okay. So, okay, thank you, Miss Agee. Miss
Actually,
Miss Agee, did you want to say anything to the court before I sentence you?
Well, Your Honor, I do want to say this. At that time, while living at 260 McDougal, it was a drug-infested building. And I did encounter contact high. I don't do drugs, but it was very drug-infested. I ended up in the hospital twice on the mental ward. And that's all I have to say.
Okay. Oops. All right. So, okay, the court is ready to impose sentence. Now, counsel, you said you think she made restitution.
I believe so.
Miss Burton, do you have any notes about any restitution? Because I don't know that, I don't remember if there was any restitution even discussed at the when the plea was taken, and then the victim isn't here today. Are the people requesting restitution?
There's currently nothing identified in the notes regarding restitution. However, I'd ask the court for it to be determined. I don't know that we should set it at 0, but there's nothing currently in the notes regarding restitution.
Okay, all right. So the court is going to impose sentence as follows. I'm going to sentence Miss Agee to delayed sentence, and then Miss Agee, I'm glad that you moved, because I know we took this on a no contest plea, but that would have been a lot of weed for you to get contact high enough for you to go steal somebody. Hold on, just for you to go steal somebody flowers. Now, okay. So nonetheless, I don't know why you took the flowers. Can the gentleman in the courtroom take his arms down off the bench, please? I don't know why you took the flowers, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you on probation for 6 months under delayed sentence, which means that you can be discharged after 3 months. I'm going to give the people 30 days. I'm only going to give the people 30 days to hear from the victim if they, I don't know if the flowers were returned. I don't know, what happened with these flowers, but I'm going to give the people 30 days to submit something to probation or to the court with respect to restitution. So these are the conditions of your probation. The final review date is going to be, it's July. We're in July. So hold on, okay. So the court, of course, is closed January 1st. We're going to do the final review. The first review, strike it. The final review is going to be set for January 3rd, 2025. But the first review is going to be set October 7th. That's going to be the first review. And at that first review, if you have completed the terms and conditions of probation, you can be discharged. That's going to be set at 10 o'clock. It is going to be a reporting probation. So you must report to probation on a monthly basis. Notify probation immediately of any change of your address, phone number, or employment status. And, I'm sorry. Did you say something?
No, yeah.
Okay. All right. Notify probation of any change of your address, phone number, or employment status. You're going to pay the following fines, cost of fees. Counsel, let me ask this question, and I don't know if you know the answer. Again, I did not order a pre-sentence investigation, but what is Miss AG's source of income?
I believe it's just Social Security, Your Honor, but I'm not sure.
All right. Is Miss AG, is that your source of income?
Social Security.
All right. The court is going to impose the mandatory cost of $210, a $100 fine. At this time, I'm setting restitution at 0, but the people have 30 days if they get information to submit the restitution information to the court. And then if I receive it, can set a restitution hearing. It shouldn't be anything if expensive in terms of the artificial flowers. The court is going to reduce the oversight fees to $5 a month from the regular $35 a month for a total of $30. There was no assessment fee. Court is going to order the following additional conditions. You shall not use or possess any illegal substances. You shall not use or possess any marijuana without a valid medical marijuana card. You shall not drive without a valid driver's license. You shall attend the theft awareness program. You will pay any outstanding tickets that you have with the 36th District Court. I don't think I gave the total for the fines, costs, and fees, which is $340. That does not include the restitution nor the cost of the theft awareness class. And we are going to return to the court August the 7th for.
I'm sorry, October the 7th, Your Honor.
Say that again, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, you said August, you meant October.
I did. Thank you. We're going to return October the 7th for review. And then Miss AG is going to fill out the bottom portion of a constitutional rights forms and put her current address and phone number so that we can make sure probation is able to get in touch with you. But since she's present in the building, we're going to also give her a copy of the order before she leaves. Anything further?
Not for defense, Your Honor.
Nothing from the people. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Miss AG, please have a seat at the table to your left. Have a seat at that table. Officer Baylor, please give Miss AG an advice of rights form and an ink pen. Please fill out the bottom of that so we can make sure we have your current address and then put your phone number on there and then wait for a copy of your probation order.
Okay.
All right. You're welcome. All right, counsel, you're all set. And
Thank you, Your Honor. Hope next weekend's better.
It will be because I only can bury my sister one time.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yes, thank you. Were you appointed or were you?
I was retained.
Oh, okay. So, I mean, I have a feeling she's probably going to do well and get discharged, but if you want to just show up on the 7th to make sure.
I will have it on my Zoom calendar.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Stay safe.